What's going on YouTube? Your boy Black Prince the Barber. Before I start this tutorial, man, you know what I'm saying, I just want to let you guys know that I'm going to be dropping videos as much as I can. So I don't know if I'm going to drop 2 videos a week, maybe 3 videos in a week. But you know what I'm saying, every YouTuber is different, you know what I'm saying, depending on how often they drop their content. But let's just get on into it. This is my little boy right here. Well, when I say little boy, this is my homie, little Hunter right here. I'm pretty sure you seen him on my channel like 8 months ago. I cut his hair before school started. I gave him a #1 all over with a high table fade. But this time, you know what I'm saying, he been coming back to me ever since then, but he grew his hair back out. But yeah, he wanted a drop fade, so you know what I'm saying, I just throw the drop fade on him. And on this tutorial right here, I kind of like speeded it up so I can have, you know what I'm saying, more time for the video to be over with, because I didn't want to waste you guys' time just by talking and you know, all that good stuff. But you guys, whoever already subscribed to my channel, you should know the steps by now. So I just want to feel like that I should just talk to you guys, see how you guys' days are going. Me personally, you know what I'm saying, I'm working hard, then I'm at the shop, then I'm at home cutting hair. I'm basically doing it all, but I just want to let you guys know your boy Black Prince the Barber will be laying the videos down about 2 or 3 videos a week, depending on the time frame of me working, and you know, try to make, you know, happen whatever happen, because you know, I do have a family as well, and you know, I just want to take time out and you know, spend time with them. But I actually been tweaking with my camera, trying to get my quality right and everything, and so I want you guys to check the last video out I put out last night, I want to say. If not last night, I'm pretty sure it was the day before yesterday. But y'all check that out, and you know, just let me know how the video is coming through. If you guys like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you dislike it, you know, you can give it a thumbs down. At least let the YouTube algorithm know that you are, you know what I'm saying, participating in watching my video. So with further ado, let's just get into it. Okay guys, on one part of this video, my camera light went out. So I was using my ring light, and then I started using my camera light all at the same time. And all of a sudden, my battery on my camera light, which is my camera ring light, went out. So I was gonna edit that part out, but I just want to let you guys know, every YouTuber is not perfect, bro. You know what I'm saying? Everybody make mistakes. That's the part of, you know what I'm saying, you editing certain things out. But I just want to just leave it running so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Man, I wasn't really embarrassed. I said, okay, I can say this part right here just to share with you guys, to show you guys that all, you know what I'm saying, YouTubers are not perfect. They had to go back and tweak stuff themselves. So I just left that part in there. So when they get up to the camera part of the light coming out, you will know about it.
Walked into the staff lodge, straight up the stairs,
Yeah guys, I was thinking about editing that part out, but you know what I'm saying, I said nope, I'm gonna leave it in there so you guys can see, you know what I'm saying, behind the scenes kind of ordeal of what I have going on. But the most important part of the whole haircut process, do the wall detailers still hit? I mean, I haven't used them in like, what, 7 months, but I had to just go back to them to see was they still, you know what I'm saying, up and performing, because, you know, I haven't used them in a while. And to me, they pretty much hit. So when I use these right here, I really don't need to use the enhancements. But you already know my client, he wanted enhancements on his edge up for to make it pop. Now right there where you see me put the pencil at, his vertical bar was real light. So I had to, you know what I'm saying, just show him, you know, where his edge up would be, you know, perfectly, you know, even there. So I had to put a little enhancements on the vertical bar, and I barely sprayed on his edge up because his edge up is already dark. But just let me know how the cut turned out, man. And I did a little touch up at the end of the video, so don't just say, hey, Black Prince, you messed his hair up. No. But anyway, this is the cut, and if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, you already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, turn on post notification, and let me know that, you know what I'm saying, that you watched the whole video. If you did watch the whole video, hashtag Black Prince in the comment section. But with further ado, This is the cut. If you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And one more thing, may God bless.